I want to show you what I'm doing on my backend work or my Shopify store. So you can maybe try this out as well. Maybe it works for me. I'm not really sure yet because I'm new to this, but it's an opportunity that I found that can help me in my SEO. This is a Shopify store. This is my Shopify store here. And I'm working on a decal roofing sticker. I want to target roofers, and so I can get roofers to come to my website and buy decals for their business. Obviously, this is not going to be my title, decals for roofing company. That's kind of weird, but I want to show you where I am already at with doing this so you can use this as well. To find keywords, I would say the best place, and for free, is Google Keyword Planner. Keyword ideas. I go here and I looked up decals for roofing company. So then I go to my saved keywords. I've already saved them, and it has roofing decals and roofing truck decals. So they're the two that I had found. So it has 90 monthly searches and 20, both high competition, completely understand. But to get these keywords, I went here, I searched decals for roofing company, get results, and down below you'll see the keywords that I put. It'll show you other keywords as well that it can find. So I just put, to get those decals, I just put roofing decals, and this is how I found these. Sunroof decals is not what I was looking up, it was this. And it was this. Okay, so I grabbed these and then I added them to the keyword plan. And then from there, I go to my saved keywords and they're right here. And so what I can do is I can copy these here, select. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit download. We're gonna download these as a CSV file. There are only two. What I could do to not download these is I could go here, copy these, and I don't want this one. So then I'm gonna go copy. So I wanted the roofing decal and roofing truck decal. So I'm gonna copy these. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna type in, write me a product title and description. I'm reading off of another thing here. Product description with these keywords. I'm gonna tag these, and then words roofing decals. So premium roofing decals. So I can take this, copy this. I'm gonna go back to my page, put this in, and then it gives me a product description, the features. And so I can take these, paste them, and then I can go through product description. I'm gonna remove that. What I can also do is I could dive in even more if I took my time. I'm just showing you a quick idea. I'm gonna add more to this, but I want to show you an example of what you can do if you're struggling to find keywords for your product. So premium roofing truck decals, I could definitely add more there. You're gonna want a image, of course, and you're gonna want an alt tag as well. So I would put premium roofing truck decal on truck if it was a mock-up of a truck with the decal on it. And then your category, you're gonna wanna fix that. And then down here, I'm gonna go to your search engine listing, make sure everything's looking good here. You're gonna want under 320 characters. I would go take this, or I would just say I would go back to ChatGPT and say, create me a meta description, please, because it's AI, and one day when they take over, you wanna be friendly to them. Create a meta description. And so this is around 320 characters. I'll go here, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna add my own meta description here, and that is way shorter. Google's gonna like that. And then my URL handle looks good. My page title looks good. I can always better it though. So I'm rushing this. I'm just giving you an example so you can use this. So I'm gonna change this up when we're done. I'm gonna take more time, and I could also add more keywords. Going back to the Google Keyword Planner, we can go back, target more keywords, which I will do. I just don't wanna waste your time. I'm just giving you the structure of how I'm doing this. So, put all this stuff here on the side. This is just for Shopify. That's all I know. If you're using anything else, you can still use Google Keyword Planner, totally. So that's it. Just wanted to show you. I wanted to make it quick. So thank you for watching.